Dear friends, I have introduced Learn Max Tricks in 30 days for primary level and board exam students. It is very useful. Each topic have some tricks to solve easily. Make use of it. If you like, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Thank you. Good evening, students. For max trick, you have to solve or find out any question easily. For that, today, day 1, topic is percentage. How to solve percentage questions easily in exams. In exam, if you want to take the percentage, you take 2 more minutes. But in this method, you can solve 5 seconds. That answer. How? That question is 250 of 10%. This is phrased command. So you can write it as 10% of 250 also correct only. So 250 of 10% means you can take a 10% means here 10 that you can take 1 digit left. That is the answer. If you take 1 digit left, that is 25.0, that no value, so answer is 25. Next question, 480 of 10%. Here also that same method, 0. So 1 digit left that you put decimal. So 48.0. So answer is 48. That is next one. We have to find out whatever the number given. We have to find out 1%, 5%, 20%. 1% means whatever already we find out that 10%. Whatever the answer, you divide by 10. So here that same 250 of 1% means already we know that 250 of 10% 25. So divided by 10, take 1 digit again left. So 2.5 is the answer. Next, 5%. 5% means already we know that 10%. Half of 10% only 5%. So 250 of 5%. So 250 of 10% is 25. So by 2. By 2 means ordinary division, 25 by 2, that answer is 12.5. Next, 20%. So 10% into 2. Our 250 of 20% means our 10% is 25. So 25 into 2 equal to 50. Is it easy for you? Next one, any percentage. Any percentage. So for example, if you take 17%, 17% means we have to split it 10%, 5%, 1 and 1 according to that question. So here given 250 of 17% means already you know that 10% is 25, 5% is 12.5, 1% is 2.5 and again 1% is 2.5. If you add 250 of 17%, that answer is 42.5 will come easily. Next, practice questions. 15% of 400. So write answer in comment box. I will tell the answer in next class. Any doubt in this max trick? You write it in comment box. I will reply. Thank you. Day 2, tomorrow we will meet.